3, 2, 1, shoot! Force meter. But what unit of force is measured in? What units do you read on the force meter?
Oh, I know.
Let's do it quickly.
Can we write the short form?
Sorry?
Short form.
Who's talking over there?
Short form.
No, I want the full name, not the letter. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, show! Yep, the correct answer is newtons.
Teacher, should we give ourselves points?
No, I'm not taking points, just a review. And finally, we started a bit of work on it last time.
Yeah.
On this page. Does anyone remember what is friction?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
On your whiteboards, please. It can be various situations, but let's see. This one's a bit harder, but let's see if you can remember.
I can't remember.
So we're going to do this in more detail today. I just want to see if anyone can remember.
Firefighters use friction to control how fast they fall. It's fun!
So it's only a short video. So what were you saying? What's the question?
Yeah. Friction means like,
Well, as it was.
when you stand, is that friction?
Yeah, well, it's kind of a mixture of what you were saying. As Lisa was saying, friction is a force. As Ari is saying, it's when two objects move inside each other. It's basically a force that stops you from moving. So if you've got low friction, you can slip. If you've got high friction, you're not going to move. So it's a force when two objects rub together to stop you from moving. So say now you've kind of seen that video, there's been a few examples of that. So low friction is when something slips and it moves easily. On your whiteboard, can you write down 3 examples of low friction? When don't you need friction?
I got
2, 1. Okay, let's see some of the answers again. Don't worry, we're not taking down scores today. So sleep. Why? Again, explain that one.
When you're sleeping on a bed, you don't need friction, do you? You do. How will you balance
Well, if
it?
you've got low friction, you might fall off the bed. You slide off the bed. No, that's a bit unusual one. Okay, we've got ice skating. Skating and ice skating's a good one.
Teacher.
Slides.
Oh, I was running
On
ice
roller
skating, but I
skating.
didn't.
So they roll more easily. Their answers. Roller coasters. I guess it depends on the roller coaster, but yes, I guess some roller coasters it will need to be low friction so it moves quickly.
Yay!
Skiing. Skiing's a good one. Scooter. I'm not sure about scooter. Why might you need friction when driving a scooter?
You might slip. You might
Yeah, but so the scooter. Investigating friction in different objects. But first, let's read up on it. In your textbooks, can you please turn to page 56. Textbooks cover. To slide most easy. This is what we're going to be looking at today. A possible experiment. So, I want you to kind of, just with the person next to you, I want you to come up with some ideas of how you could test the amount of friction of a surface.
I'll give you a minute
to discuss. No, person next to you. Just for 1 minute, I want you to think of some ideas of what experiment you could do to test the friction of different surfaces. Okay, excuse me. Okay, let's hear your ideas then. Who's got some idea? Who's got an idea? Okay, Artem, let's hear yours first. Okay, what have you come up with an idea?
We're gonna run around and see the textures of the ground.
Okay, the different textures of the ground. What are you actually recording though?
We're recording how fast can we run.
So how fast you can run on different surfaces? What different surfaces? Well, yeah, I see an interesting idea. I like it. Okay, who else has an idea for testing friction? Yes? Excuse me, can you be quiet when other people are talking?
Get these things, and then we're gonna put a flat surface on it, and then we're gonna get a thing, and then just slide. And we're gonna slide them on like
Okay. So you're gonna find something to slide them down.
Yeah.
So basically, it's similar to the previous two ideas, but instead of changing the surface, you're changing the object that's sliding on the surface. Okay, but
we're
this.
gonna do
Okay. It's actually quite similar to the experiment we're doing today. Your idea. But how are you going to keep it a fair test? So, why do shoes need friction? Okay, so yeah, so you can walk, so you can jog. What would happen if excuse me, who's talking over there? Katu. What would happen if shoes have no friction? Katu, I'm asking.
We slip.
Yeah, you'll slip and fall over. So in this experiment, I want to find out which of these shoes has the best friction. How could I test that? Or how are you going to test that? Yes, Ananya?
You take the surface and you slide the shoe down. Yeah.
Okay, but how are we going to find out which one's the best?
Test all of them. And
Test.
and which one comes the fastest, it has the most friction. You race them, you mean?
Okay. Okay, Kathy, can you please read? Sorry, some people are still finding it. Page 17, please.
Have less grip. We need shoes to give the choice so we don't. A shoe with good grip will have a lot of friction between the shoes.
So, what I want you to do now is make a prediction. Which of those 5 shoes do you think will have the best grip?
I know. Totally.
Make a prediction now. Write it there. You will need
a piece of wood, books or boxes, a ruler, and different shoes. Method. A. Write the names of the different shoes in the results table. B. Rest one. It's moving. I know. Yeah, it's moving. Well, it's like a slide. Exactly. I was say that. It has 13 centimeters. 13 on 3. Sit block. Where's my pencil? And
What are you doing now?
we're doing flippers.
Okay. So remember, how are you going to make it a fair test? What are you keeping the same as the last one?
We're keeping the surface same. I keep it in the medium. Why are you adding a blue shit? No. My prediction's correct. My prediction's correct. No. What kind of shoes is this? They're moving. Let's add 2 more. One more. Just 2. One. It might not even move. I wish it did. You know why? Because of the sole. Okay, it's not moving.
Everyone clear what they're doing?
Yes. I'm so clear. I'm so clear, Mr. Regan.
Why are your bars different sizes, Maddox?
Because that's how it is.
No, I meant in width, not in height.
I know.
So you got the grip of the shoe, keeping the shoe up, and what?
Friction.
What force makes things fall?
Friction.
What force makes things fall?
Push.
What force is making this pen fall?
Push. Gravity.
Gravity, yes.
Gravity fall.
You've got gravity pushing it down and the grip of the shoe keeping it up.
Economic boots.
So yeah, friction causes what?
Heat.